Hey everyone, it's Lee here with another CoinSlot video. YeeCall is one of those companies that you may not have heard of. I mean, I didn't when I first looked it up. I was like, what the hell is this? But they're actually bringing out a token called YEE Token. I really think this is going to be a game changer. It's sort of flown under the radar a little bit, but that's okay. That's why you're probably here listening to this video. So what does it actually do? First of all, you need to understand what ecosystem they're going to be using. They're going to be using a blockchain-based system. It's also cloud-based. And when I mean cloud-based, it's going to be used for storage. The ecosystem itself is going to be broken down into 5 different components. And those 5 components are really crucial to the token's success in the long term. Because currently in YeeCall, they have around about 30 million active users. They're really active in places like the Middle East, Europe, India, North America, these sorts of places. Now, I really haven't come across it in Australia myself, I've got to be honest, but I really see the benefit in this app. The technology that's currently in the app is world class. You can get the highest grade video quality and something that Facebook doesn't currently offer. I can have multiple people in my video chat if I want, so I can hang out with my friends. And what I really like about it is, say if I'm drawing something on my phone, you can see it instantly on yours in real time, and you can draw something back and interact with the 2 phones. I think that's really cool. Understanding sort of how this system's going to evolve once they've built their blockchain, I really see this being popular in the future. We understand how their ecosystem's going to work with YeeChain. Now, this YeeChain is actually going to be supported by a number of different things. You're going to have a YeeStore, and that's essential for developers in the future, where they can build dapps to host them on the YeeStore, where users can use their YEE token to purchase things of value. The other one is YeeWallet. Now, this is a way where you can store your YEE tokens. It kind of makes sense. If everyone's got a wallet, it kind of makes sense that there's going to be some sort of transfer or money transfer that's going to happen, which is what they're calling YeeChain. The communication side of things is going to be handled by YeeNet. There's all these little Yee something names. There's 5 of them basically. YeeNet is there for communication, as I said before. So that's your instant messaging. It's going to be basically a side chain on the YeeChain network itself. So you're not having multiple things that are going to cause delays in transactions and things happening. Lastly, there's going to be something called YeeCall. And as we sort of know, that's basically a phone-based system. So I could call you could call me, we could call friends together. It's a really cool idea. Looking to the future, it's going to be important for YeeCall to really expand their network and therefore expand their YEE tokens. So they've actually got 10 plus partners currently, and each partner, get this, has over 100 million users. Now, that's really important. You're looking at a potential of 1 billion people where YEE tokens could potentially be used. So with the potential of 1 billion users, which sounds pretty extraordinary, it's going to be pretty crucial to build a really good blockchain that's able to handle things on different levels so they're not clogging up the system. Their current system is only around about a 70% efficiency rate, and that's everything through peer-to-peer. They're currently looking at Internet of Things, and they're building a system so they can actually scale in the future. 10 billion YEE, that's a heck of a lot. But when you think about the potential of 1 billion users, it doesn't really seem all that much. Now, I do see YEE growing over time, and obviously I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to give you advice on what to buy. I just don't do that. I just talk about things that interest me on this channel, and I hope you really like that. For me, I've invested around about 30,000 YEE. I think that's enough for me. I'm comfortable with that. I do see YEE really growing, as I mentioned before, but the way I see it growing is seamlessly. And what I mean by that is people currently use the app. There's 30 million people that use the app. But just think about how YEE token can be used in money transfers alone. Every time someone sends a YEE token, obviously there's supply and demand. So I really do see that being the main key goal for YeeCall to release this token. I hope I was able to make clear exactly what YEE is and how it's going to be used in the future. So give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and remember to subscribe, because I look at the analytics and currently 92% of you watching this video don't subscribe. So let's see if we can get this number up to 500 subscribers. I've only just started, so it will be really helpful.